Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP DeskJet 2620. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this printer. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print document from computer to HP printer. To print your document from your computer to this printer, you need to make sure that both are connected to the same network. This printer now and the computer both are connected to Wi-Fi network. I want to show you to print your document. We need to go to File. So go to your computer, select File, and this is my files. So go to the when you select File, then you go to Document, and these are documents saved on my file. So you need to select the particular document you want to print out. Okay, so now this is the document I want to print out. This is a document I want to print out. To print this document, you need to select printer image, printer icon on top. Select print, and when you select print, then you also need to make sure you select particular printer. So this printer is HP DeskJet 2620. So it's going to be 2600 series. So from the printer list, you scroll down to select the correct printer. Okay, so from the printer list, what I'm doing now is looking for this printer, okay, which is HP DeskJet, and it will show you when the printer is ready. It will show you the printer is ready. Select on it. This is the printer here, and now this is the document you want to print out. Okay, and now the next thing you need to do is you need to, from the printer you selected, you select how many copies you want to print this out. You can also change the layout from portrait to landscape. Currently is in portrait. If you want to change it to layout, then you need to select layout, and this is layout. You can see, okay, you select layout for it. So but I want this to be in portrait. And the next is color. You change the color to colored. Okay, you can see this is colored. If you want it to black and white, then you select black and white, and you see the image change to black and white. So I want this to be in colored. Now the other thing is to print on both sides. If you want to print on other side, print on both sides, you can do this as well. Select print on both sides, but you need to turn the document up the other way. You can't print automatically on both sides from this printer. Okay, so you need to turn it the other side. So print on both sides. Okay, and the next is select print. Now this document is printing. Printing on both sides will save you paper when you are doing this, but you need to do it manually. Okay, so now this document is printing the first page. I'm going to show you how to do this as well. Here we go. This is the document printed out. To print the second page, okay, you need to stick the document you want to print, okay, back inside. Okay, feed it back inside the paper tray, and select continue. Okay, so select continue, and now it's going to, here we go. So now it's printing out the second page. So here we go. So this is the document, okay, we printed out. It's supposed to be 2 pages, but we printed it out double-sided, colored. Now another way to print document from your computer to HP printer is for you to go to HP Smart App. Now this is HP Smart App, and this printer is ready. So to print your document, you need to go to print document, select print document, and it will ask you document, support document file. HP Smart App currently supports printing of PDF document. Okay, select OK. Okay, and it will take you to your printer file for you to select the document you want to print out. So this is the document. So I'm going to scroll down and look for the document I want to print out. So what I'm doing now is looking for the document that I want to print out. The other thing to do is you can also type the date. If you can't, you can type the date of the day you scan the document you want to print out as well. Okay, so just by typing the date. Here we go. So just type the date, and this is the document I scanned today. Or for instance, select on it. Okay, and this document is attached. Now the next thing is this document is 2 pages. Okay, you can see one of 2. So you can select to print it out. The same thing, you can print this document. Initially we printed it out double-sided, so I'm going to print this one, okay, black, okay, and on one side each. So now, and the color, how many copies? So select more settings. It gives you option for you to select the color. So I'm going to change the color to monochrome, which is black, and portrait. So I'm also selecting print on both sides, no, okay, and print all pages, okay, and select okay for this and select print. So now this document is going to print out black, a single page on each. This is the first one. This is the first, black. And this is the second one, okay? Another way to print your document is using USB cable and hook this up to your computer. Connect printer and laptop using USB cable for you to be able to print. So these are ways you can print out from this printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.